YouTube, the world's leading video platform, is once again pushing the boundaries of content delivery. In a move designed to cater to changing viewer preferences, YouTube is currently experimenting with a new full-screen viewing experience for vertical live streams on its mobile app. This development marks a significant step forward in the ever-evolving landscape of online video content. Traditionally, YouTube's live streams have adhered to the standard letterbox format. This format, while functional, has always had some limitations. The live chat function was prominently displayed alongside the video, emphasizing real-time viewer interactions. However, this new format aims to take live streaming to a whole new level. The concept is simple but impactful. When viewers access these vertical live streams, they are presented with a visually immersive experience, with the entire mobile screen dedicated to the content. Comments from viewers are neatly overlaid at the top, ensuring that engagement remains an integral part of the experience. The advantages for video marketers. Heightened immersion. Video marketers now have a canvas that can truly captivate their audience. This full-screen vertical format enables them to create visually stunning content that occupies the viewer's entire mobile screen, providing an unparalleled level of immersion. Discoverability boost. The integration of vertical live streams into YouTube Shorts significantly enhances the discoverability of such content. This presents a unique opportunity for video marketers to tap into the popularity of Shorts and attract a broader audience. Staying ahead of trends. For video marketers, staying ahead of trends is crucial. Embracing vertical video aligns perfectly with the evolving preferences of mobile users, ensuring that marketers remain relevant in an ever-changing digital landscape. Benefits for content creators. Unleash creativity. Creators can explore new dimensions of content creation with the full-screen vertical format. It allows for innovative storytelling and unique visual experiences that can capture viewers' attention more effectively. Enhanced engagement. The immersive nature of vertical live streams can lead to increased viewer engagement. Creators can interact with their audience in a visually captivating manner, potentially fostering a stronger connection. Diversified content strategy. Creators can diversify their content strategy by experimenting with vertical live streams. This offers a fresh perspective and caters to varying viewer preferences, enabling creators to reach a wider audience. Challenges for marketers and creators. Content adaptation. Adapting existing content to the vertical format may pose challenges for some marketers and creators. It requires a shift in content creation strategies and may entail additional effort. Audience transition. Convincing existing viewers to embrace vertical live streams might take time. Some viewers may initially resist the change, necessitating effective communication and marketing strategies. Technical adjustments. Creators and marketers must ensure that their equipment and software are compatible with vertical streaming. This may involve additional expenses for those not already equipped for this format. YouTube live streaming views, a growing phenomenon. The introduction of full-screen vertical live streams on YouTube also has implications for the viewers themselves. YouTube live streaming views, as a concept, has been rapidly evolving. This move to embrace vertical video is a testament to YouTube's commitment to staying at the forefront of content delivery. Benefits for viewers. Immersive experience. Viewers can now enjoy live streams in a more immersive manner, filling their mobile screens with captivating content. Enhanced interaction. The comments overlay feature ensures that viewer interaction remains seamless, allowing viewers to engage with content and creators more effectively. Access via YouTube Shorts. With the integration of vertical live streams into YouTube Shorts, viewers can easily stumble upon live content while browsing, expanding their content discovery opportunities. In conclusion, YouTube's experiment with vertical live streams reflects its commitment to evolving alongside shifting viewer preferences. As viewers increasingly engage with vertical content, This initiative aligns perfectly with YouTube's mission to offer a diverse range of content in the most engaging and accessible formats. Video marketers, creators, and viewers alike are poised to benefit from this shift, as it opens up new creative possibilities, enhances viewer engagement, and transforms the YouTube live streaming views experience. However, they must also navigate the challenges associated with content adaptation, audience transition, and technical adjustments. Please note that this video is based on information available up to September 16, 2023. Further developments may have occurred since that date.